righteous, we look to the sun. A force for good, priesthood bearers are we. We are the warriors who witness of thee. Brethren, rise and heed the call. Stand with courage, give your all. The Lord's battalion, strong and true, go forth as one, his word pursue. In battles with sin, we'll stand firm and bold. We'll wear God's armor as scriptures foretold. We'll battle for freedom from evil and sin. We'll overcome darkness and have a light within. Brethren, rise and heed the call. Heed the call, heed the call. Stand with courage, give your all, give your all. The Lord's battalion, strong and true, go forth as one, his word pursue. Families, we will be true, humble and faithful, our covenants renew. Earthly distraction won't come between. Our hearts are pure, our minds are clean. Brethren, rise and heed the call. Stand with courage, give your all. The Lord's battalion, strong and true, go forth as one, his word pursue. Let's daily strive to do what's right. Stay on the path, ask in his light. Repent and change, his love remains. His arms are open, no need for shame. Seek Christ's grace, his mercy will reign. Repent, change, in his name we proclaim.